All good. So yeah, I mean, I do think this is a scenario. But then there's also like if we get above this and start holding. But I've also noticed too that like even when you get close to these daily SMAs, you can start to see set like just because we're not at it. I mean, we can start to see rejections anywhere in here just from the pressure from that SMA. There's a lot of, well, it's pretty even buying and selling on time and sales right now. It's a pretty good balance between the ask and bid on level 2. Current moment. No, nothing. I'm feeling like absolute garbage today, so I don't even know if I'm going to take anything. But we'll see. Brendan's here. What's up, man? I've been better, but we're here. Yeah, just fuck. I think I fell asleep at like 8 o'clock last night because I felt so shitty. Maybe like 8:30 or something like that, and then didn't sleep all night. Bleh. Something's got me. But thanks, dude. We're here. We're still gonna. We'll figure some shit out, and hopefully some people will make some money. We're already starting to see a little bit of rejection here. There's there's a lot of offers hitting the ask right now. Like, it's a lot of selling. We'll see how it goes in 1 minute when we open. Open interest on SPY options right now. The put to call ratio is still in the favor of puts, especially in open interest and in just volume. Yeah. And those are open, right? Those are current. So currently, yeah, 2.5 times the amount of people are holding open puts. Yeah.
Shit like that when I see stuff like that. 2.5
Yeah.
Everybody's gonna go down. Probably not gonna go down.
I hate when the market opens out of zone. I don't like it. Because I want to see price push up to a zone, then reject, not start, because we could just tank from here. Excuse me. And miss it. Like, there's not a zone until all the way down here. We opened up with a gap on SPX. This level on QQQ, this 457, 458 is big. NQ is holding. This is a big one up here on NQ. This is a big one up here on yes. Is it just zoom in? Yeah, it'll do that. Amazon's doing something. Look at this. Yeah, we're over that 457. We need one at 458. That's huge. Need to get this one on SPY. Where are we on SPY?
Looks stupid.
Yeah, look at all
What
this.
the fuck? That's absorption as hell.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
NQ's pushing up like crazy. Wait till we get up here, man. Wait till we get up here. I'm not taking anything. I mean, if this momentum keeps going and we go up here, this could be some really nice. This could be a really nice short area. Getting above what I was saying that I put in my channel is, even if we get over this 55.10, like we have this daily 50 up here, so longing here could be very difficult. To be honest, I don't think I'm in a spot to take longs till we get over 55.70.
Plus, if you think about the news, I mean, China play
I don't know. Yeah, just given what we've been seeing lately, like how can it's tough to want to go long. Yeah.
chasing a huge gap up just to get slaughtered.
Yeah, and that's happened to a lot of us a few times too many, right? Like I don't even want to talk about it. But this is this is definitely interesting. What was that level on SPY? 49 essentially. So if we throw one up here, oh, we got it right there. Look at that. Damn. See, this is why I don't like starting at a level. Like, taking the first 5-minute candle is risque, if you ask me. How many times have I put in our chats, like, over the last fucking 6 months that I need to stop trading, like, right at the open? Because I just get fucked.
Well, something you can do is also, wait for your 5-minute candle and draw lines.
Yeah. So your opening range breaker, your opening 5-minute range breakouts. Yeah.
Stop loss would be at the bottom of the 5-minute candle.
Like at the top of the wick?
Once we get the 5-minute candle.
Yeah. So if we break, you're saying if we break below here, short. Oh, it moves like a fucking monster right at the start of the day, man. But it's like, especially when you're looking at like stocks, like if you're going to like fucking like Nvidia, look at Nvidia's fucking 15-minute candle, 5-minute candles. Like if you throw on fucking Tesla and shit like that, like look at this. IWM, see you later. There it goes. I'm doing what you said. I'm gonna give it a shot. We'll see what happens. I have a tight stop on this for sure. I got in about here. I do like this rejection up here. What are the other guys doing? Oh, I missed that. Fuck. Oops. I don't even think my stop is that far. I think I'm literally like here. So Jack, would you wait for your 5-minute candle to close under the first 5-minute, like your second 5-minute, or just get in once it drops below? What do we get in here? It's so hard to... It's just dancing around here. It doesn't want to make up its mind because of this. Okay, if we get under there, that's good. That's looking good. It's not really doing much. A lot of buying coming in on SPX. A lot of buying.
I just took a one and then came along.
Nice. I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. I don't even think my stop's quite that high. I think it's like here. Yeah. It's not looking good. We're out. To the tick. Taking the stop, moving on. Yeah, I missed this. This was stupid on me on my behalf. That was just a bad trade. Shorting into this level. Just a bad one. Whatever, move on. I have my moments. Look at this. This is gross. I got stopped out to the tick. But, I don't know, early in the morning, just making sure that I'm protected is important. Yeah.
Parts are super heavy. All day.
Yeah, that's not really stuff that I think of. That's a little bit above my head. I don't really know anything about that stuff really. I just play the levels, you know, but I missed this. That was just stupid.
Yeah, it might come up and test this week 495.
Yeah. That was just a bad trade. I shouldn't have been shorting into a zone. I think sometimes I think what I need to do is I need to make up my mind if I'm gonna be trading SPY, do I play it off of SPY or do I play it off of ES? Right? This could have been a nice long off this level right here, right? That's why I don't like when the market opens at a level. I mean, it was only a 12% loss on that on my position there, so it's really not that bad. Yeah, mine is like 248. Sometimes. I don't know. I find I've gravitated towards SPX just because it's what I've used so much. I mean, that was 3 for 3 yesterday. I was bound to take a loss at some point. Still does look pretty heavy up here, though. We're gonna have to wait until we get below here, which is farther out on SPY, but that's okay. We're gonna trade the ES levels today. We're right out of that level again. This one could be it. Tons of selling. What was that? All right. Anyone seen anything else besides watching the SPY madness? Looking like it wants to hold. Yeah, it's looking like it's holding. It's a strong level. That's a strong level right there. Anyone else seeing anything here? Not really seeing much else besides that. Not seeing much else, just sort of waiting. Yeah. I mean, look at this old thing I had on coin here. Look at this. Yeah. See what happens.
I tried not to mention that one too.
Yeah, and personally, I don't trade coin. It's so difficult with it being so attached to crypto. That would have been a nice long down there. This volume was tricky to read here, though. Sort of this range right here between here and here. Almost half hour in and no move yet. I think everyone's waiting for tomorrow. That's crazy. How do you long this level again is the question. But with this chop, I don't think so. It's looking like the move is shorting up here and longing down here. That's a gnarly candle. Tons of selling. But the level's holding.
How about new iPhone?
Yeah, I know. It's just like a new camera, and it's more expensive, and it's like 0.1 of an inch bigger. Yeah. Yeah. No.
Die again because it's a like advanced algorithm.
Yeah. Not Red Lobster. Anything. Yeah, that was me. I've only ever seen one Red Lobster where I am, like within a 5 hour drive. Yeah, I know. Every time, man. Every time. We dip down, it gets bought up.
Like I said, I think
We'll see. Just waiting. Tons of buying coming in on time and sales. Sellers are trying, but they can't really push through. Let's just get one of those things where, you know, you see like fucking 30 red candles in a row. Or hold, right? What's IWM doing? IWM's tanking. Here we go. That's a murder candle right there.
it's weird. NQ's barely feeling that.
I got back in and I'm up 30% right now.
Let's buy.
Yeah, SPX. I didn't have time to type it out. I just took one off to cover my loss from today. Moved my stop to break even. So I'm at minimum break even on the day. Because that happens all the time. It's crazy we've had this much movement in half the can, like in 2.5 minutes. This guy's going to retrace all the way back and I'm going to get stopped out at break even. Yep, out at break even. That's a crazy fucking candle. That is insane. Look at that. What is even happening? What the fuck? Oh! That is insane. This is nuts. What held? This is what held. That is absolutely insane. Is this thing just gonna keep dropping after a fucking crazy candle like that? This is insane. How does that all get bought up and then drop? Just like that, eh? Wow, this is insane. What the hell is happening? What the fuck is going on? This is the craziest shit I've ever seen in my life. Is anyone in on this? Yeah. Fuck. What the absolute fuck is this? Jesus Christ. Yeah. So was Vix. This is absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Like this massive drop, all absorbed, and then buy. I was looking at an SPX contract. It went from $10 to 17.50 immediately. Right here. Well, we're stuck between this right now, right? Now, do you long it down here is the question. If there's anything we've seen from today. I don't know. You gonna long against this candle? That's absolutely insane. Are you long on Apex account? Are you in red right now? Don't add. This is disgusting. Well, we missed that one. This level is going to be interesting here, though. Jesus Christ. That contract I'm looking at is up 93% in one candle. %. What the hell? Hoy. I mean, whatever. I sought that one out, so it is what it is. This is crazy. Seeing some big buying down here compared to the rest of this candle. But like, I don't know, long and against this is absolutely, that's crazy if you go for it. Man. Man, oh man. I hesitated. It was $10 when I was at it, when I was looking at it. Now it's at 21. When did you get in? Here? Ah. Retest short. Yeah, this is crazy, man. Madness. That would have been nice to catch, obviously. But we didn't. Break even on the day on 2 trades. Let's see one. This is an interesting one here. This holds. These blue sections. I'm working on something new to add to my strategy, so I'm not taking trades off of it yet because I want to see how many times it works, if it does work. Whew. And if you're wondering what that is, if we do, like it's going up now, that's great. So if we go fixed range volume profile yesterday from open, the first hour, these two areas are where there was the highest and the least amount of volume. Right, so we got a high volume section here and a low volume section here. So I'm working on adding volume by price as to part of the strategy. Hey, we got Shax here, man. Welcome back. Sorry I didn't notice you earlier. Nice to see you. As if, we shorted twice under this level, break even, and then the third time it just fucking dumps. Don't you love when that happens?
I think Vix tells you everything you need to know about the bank.
Yeah.
I mean, she's probably,
Yeah.
you know, especially if it gets above.
It's crazy. I mean, there's definitely something on the zone here, that's for sure. Got some big selling stepping on up here. Big level. Yeah, every time it comes up here, it's getting swallowed up. This is some crazy price action today, guys. Don't really know what to make of it. That's wild. I mean, it's nice to see that this part of the strategy that I'm trying to integrate seemed to have worked. Excuse me. Nothing's respecting levels today. QQQ is the only one respecting levels. Look at this.
Bitcoin's just a lot of buy volume coming in right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
I took one more short up here. It's up 39%. Sometimes, see, these happen so quick, it's hard to get it into the call out section, right? Like, I get in and then I'm up 40% right away. You can't really call it out at that point. Oh, is this thing going to retrace like it has been, or are we going to get some continuation finally? That's the question. We're definitely getting some absorption down here. Yep. Down to 20%. I did take one contract off at like 35%. It was like 34.5% or something like that. So We are green on the day, but not not by a lot, just a few $100. Back to 30%. This thing just keeps chopping around. We're not really getting any continuation in any direction. Look at this, all this crazy selling right down here and nothing. I got my stop and break even on this one. We're going to see if we can let this ride, but we're not getting this continuation. Not at all. Mostly negative delta, still a green candle. This is going to be the last trade of the day for me. Worst case scenario, we end up green, a couple $100. See what happens. Not really getting the follow through that we like to see, but yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's usually one of like if consumer prices go up, it's most of the time producer prices go up, right? Most of the time. We're at a break even.
The Fed's hands are tied now with the labor market.
Of course, it's the second time today we're getting out at break even and then price drops. QQQ didn't come back quite the same.
It's definitely been a chalk fest, but I think we did get a nice move.
What a film.
Definite chalk fest. Really? Does it still sound like that? What about now? No, it's just my computer mic. My laptop.